What's going on, y'all? Let's learn how to play for the weekend. It's not too hard of a song. I'll go through the rhythm section first, and then we'll do the lead parts after. So the intro and the verse are the same chords, and I'll go through them really quick, or I'll play through it really quick. So first chord is our A, just our regular open A. Then we're doing a C sharp minor, except we're doing this shape. So it's muted bottom E string, 4, 2, 4, open, open. So it's like an upside down power chord, and then there's like a little extra buddy down there. Next is our F sharp minor. We're doing this. This one also, we're doing mute, 4, 4, 2, open, open. It's kind of nice and jangly chord, jangly song. And then D, just a regular D chord. Usually I'll kind of mute this high E string, but you know, whatever you feel like, right? That's the fun of guitar. And yeah, it's just that over and over. And then in the verse part, we're just doing big whole strums, or whole note strums, I guess. So right. The rhythm, I think, right, you can probably figure it out. It's not too bad. The only like tricky thing really is just coming in on the and of one for that D. If that doesn't mean anything to you, don't worry about it. Just have fun. And now let's jump over to the lead part for the intro. I think it's a pretty fun part. It might be the hardest part of the song, but it's not too bad. So it sounds like this. Ooh, kind of biffed it there, but it's all good. Basically, I'm doing caged shapes or cage system, if that means something to you. If not, no biggie. But basically, I'm just kind of outlining the chords as they're going by. So we have this shape, little A triad, that is mute, mute. 11, 9, 10, and mute. So, and then grabbing that the B on the 12th fret of the B string. So, okay, next is our C sharp minor shape. Doing this. So we're barring the 9th fret, just the G string, B string, and high E string, those bottom three. Just holding them all down, and then grabbing this this E up here on the 12th fret. Next is our F sharp minor. We're just doing a regular bar chord here with the root on the A string. So it's going to be what? 9, 11, 9, 10, 9. See, we're just holding down our full chord, and I'm kind of like aiming to hit the low strings first, and then sort of like picking at the high strings. So, right. Bum, 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 bum. The last part of the intro, we're doing essentially a D chord. So if you think of like your regular full D bar chord, just grabbing the high 3 strings. Except I'm holding down the 12th fret of the high E string, so it's going to be 11, 10, 12, and we're doing a hammer-on pull-off with our pinky for the 14th fret. Let go, back to 10, and then 14 on the B. So it's going to sound like, oops. So all together kind of slow, it's going to be. I realize I also do like a little mute in there. You know, whatever helps you keep the rhythm. Okay. All right. So next is the chorus part. This one, there's no leads. It's just chords. So it'll be pretty easy. We're doing back to our A, then hitting F sharp minor, same one from before, D, and then E. So the part's going to be. Right? Not too bad. We're just down, up, down, up. All right, editor Brian here to say that I totally forgot that there is in fact a lead line in this chorus. So the song's in the key of A, and so the lead line's kind of based around the A major scale, but the one up here, it sounds like this. It kind of just goes over and over. So the way that I'm playing it is I got my index finger barred over the 9th fret of the D, G, and B strings, and then I'm going to use my middle finger to do all the work, which is not a whole lot. It's just going to be coming on and off of the B string at the 10th fret. And most of this lead is going to be kind of going back and forth between the B and the G string. So we're going 10th fret B, 9th fret G, 9th fret B, 9th fret G, back to the 10, back to the 9. And then this is the only part that's going to get different, is that we're going to bring in that 9th fret of the D string and hit that 9 on the G. So play a little slower. So not too bad. Okay, and now back to the show. So next is that bridge part, which is kind of fun. I feel like you don't have to play it so precisely. Like I think that's like the fun of the part. You can kind of just mess around. But basically, we're just playing. What is this? The same A shape from the intro. So mute, mute, 11, 9, 10. We're hammering on the 11th fret of the G string, or maybe not even hammering on, whatever you like. We're holding our E chord, so if you think of this one, we're just grabbing the high parts. So this is going to be mute, mute, 9, 9, 9, and mute. Alright, so we're doing hammering on, or we're playing the 11th fret of the D string. And then D shape here. So this is going to be mute, mute, 12, 11, 10. Little staircase. And then we're going to be kind of tagging this B, high B up here, 12th fret of the B string. And really, I think you can just do any variation, whatever feels fun for you. Right, and then the rhythm part, we're just strumming big fat chords behind it. And then for the key change, I think in the recording I literally just slapped on a capo and then just played the same shapes higher up. But if you're kind of playing along to the song, and when I'm playing live, I'd probably hit them with the B flat here, G minor here, D sharp or E flat here, and back to F here. So it'd be. But honestly, wherever you can tag them, right? Whatever feels comfortable for you. And that's kind of it for the song. Hopefully it makes sense. Hope you have fun playing it.